abantwana.
Wow. W activation. Thank you so much. W to Mike. Thank you so much, my guys. Thank you. Wow. Anytime, anything you send is gonna be triple. One hand hard, see halfway.
Welcome to my CEO.
Wow. Date in July what? Wow. 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 Guys, other times 3. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Shut up. Ungasakhuluma bhuti. Amusa ukhamiselani. Ngitshelile. Ngikutshelile. Ubani welcome. Bandla. Ngikutshelile indaba yamaphefumula ngeke isize la. Bonile siqabuzene la. Amaroza ngeke asize la. Ngitshelile wena ufika ku 600 uyasiphaphela. Level up. Cool. Thank you so much, Smiley. Thank you so much, Chumani. Ufika ku 600. Uyaphapha. Ula. No bangalifaka idlava ngeke nenze lutho. Ngeke nenze lutho. Kodwa because ukudlala bebezofaka idlava manje. Bazama ukupatanisa. Chumani, thank you. Mara ngeke balunge la. Amakhekhe. I-serious lethu kamusibatshele ayikho ngamakhekhe lethu.
Sepatini la.
Don't talk amakhonje. Kamusi mina ngifike ku 1000 lo ngakhona ngokufika kuye wena bongiphaphela ku 6k ngiku 1001 trillion up uyathetha wena uthetha Kamusa bo ayandidika ke ngoku Ezindile ngoke beku 27 Kamusa Kamusa
ayitha 11 lapha ngeke phela
level bani loyo ukwenza ukuthi udelela ama coins level bani level 2 ungakujwayeli Kamusi not on my coins you celebrate level 2 la asuka nentoke ekhaya guys angazi bazama ukuyenza ini mara ngeke abantu bakho wayibe level lapha kodwa ngilida kodwa banidikela ntoni Kamusa Tumani, thank you so much. When you don't respect my coins, and the other funa kuthenga xa kuthethwa nawe. Tops, thank you so much. Kathule, bo. Yeka lento yenzayo. Amaroza ngeke asize la thina siya leader ngeke ni snipe. Game over. 5 consecutive
good people.
Games.
Your fighting spirit is unmatched till today. Abahambe bazame kusasa, abahambe bawulala. Thank you, Nanda. Thank you very much. Thank you, Timple. Thank you, Mama Niseli. Thank you, Azanda. Ndumiso, Vuyani. Thank everyone who was taking. Fighting spirit.
Love. Smiley, do you know how to use it, love? Oh my gosh.
Unmatched.
Smiley, guys, can you please come together? Smiley, do you know how to use it, love?
Oh. Riberi bapala mutu awela, riberi bapala awe, riberi bapala mutu awela. Yezo umehlo umuntu makacula nokhulumayo. Uyazo.
Smiley, do you know how to use it, love? Guys, can you please step together? Thank you so much, guys. Can you please step together? Work of art.
Let's take the screen. Banako kuyibekela la. Exco. Asha matamana manzi. Thank you, Nanda.
Ooh.
Thank you very much, Nanda. Thank you, Exco there.
Okay. On the second speed. 30 seconds of the second speed. 30 seconds of the second speed. Tula. I'm going to guys with 200 to say a part.
Mara, whoa. Why don't you, Lisa? How dare you? We tell you the last game there. Tell you past. Was that tell you past way? Current situation, we are leading 75. Not even 3 digits. Wow, what a failure. What a disappointment. I'm not entertained.
Guys, speed. On the speed, can you try it together? We need 3 people to activate the speed. Ne, Sidinga nje abantu abawu-3. Guys, we need 3 roses, guys. 3. Oh, 1. Shota 1, guys. 1. Can someone send a rose? Umuntu nje 1 ongekalifaki rose. W
Good
activation.
people, abantu abayisho with the rose, good people.
Ngifuna guys
Thank you, Nanda. Umuntu ogcina good people with the rose. Last person with the rose. Umuntu ogcina with the rose. Ngaphandle mama Lebu.
Together.
Good people, umuntu ogcina ngaphandle mama Lebu noNanda. Good people, umuntu ogcina with the rose. Rose makade. Umuntu ogcina good people on the rose eli-1. Umuntu on the rose eli-1. Activate. Thank you, Tipuls. Thank you very much, them. W activation, good people.
Smiley.
We made it.
Okay, fine. Guys, on the times too. 30 seconds, Usmail uzodrop it-love. On that love, no roses, ne? Aswafaka ama-rose. Sizamufaka ama-finger hearty, ama-hand hearty, nama-dome. Sambi nama-manigani. Ama-galaxy. Izinto nje.
Hayibo.